Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name's Olivia and today I'm just going to film a little day of my life in, well, it's not really quarantine anymore because we can't actually go and see people if it's outside. I look disgusting because I've just come back from a run and I'm going to see some of my friends and just like sit in one of my friends' gardens. So I'm really late and I need to just jump in the shower and get ready, but I just wanted to start this video first. So anyway, I'm just gonna get ready real quick. Hey guys, so it's been a while since I've like chatted to you. I went to my friend Anna's house, like I said, and we all just kind of sat in her garden and we had like our little Bible study that we normally do on Zoom, but because the rules have changed in Northern Ireland for lockdown, we were able to see each other today, which was really nice. And then I just got home and I had some lunch. I had just pasta that was left over from our dinner last night, and I've honestly just been sitting here I don't really know what I've been doing, to be honest, but I don't know if you guys can hear, but I've got my window open behind the camera and the birds are like so chirpy and like happy today, and it makes me really happy. It was really hot and sunny earlier, hence my little burnt tomato face that is going on right now. Ugh, it's so bad. It was really hot and sunny earlier, but now it's kind of like, it's still pretty warm, but it's not really sunny anymore. It's like pretty cloudy. Like, I don't know if you can see that, but it's just like really not that sunny, which is like not annoying because like I probably shouldn't really be in the sun anyway, obviously. I really like, does anybody else relate? Like, I had sun cream on this morning. Like, I had factor 30 sun cream and I was only outside for like an hour and a half and it wasn't even like sunny all the time and I still got this badly burnt. Like, it's so bad. Does anybody else relate? Like, I am fully, like, I'm not ginger. Like, this is my natural hair colour, but I'm ginger at heart. Like, in my heart I'm ginger, do you know what I mean? So that kind of sucks, but anyway, I don't really know what I'm gonna do now. Do you know what I'm gonna do? Actually, I'm gonna read. Like, I'm gonna sit and I'm gonna read my book because I never do that. And I'm so busy at the minute because I'm working like 5 days a week, so I never really seem to have time to just sit and read. So I'm gonna do that because I just think I should and I want to, and that would be fun. So maybe make like a cup of tea and put a face mask on and then just sit in my bed and just read, because that just sounds like something that I would enjoy today, and I just think I'm gonna do that. So so just a little update. First of all, I'm sorry if you can't really hear me because the oven's on and the washing machine's on and the boilers go in, so it's just a lot of noise. But basically, it's like so much later now. It's like almost 8:30 and honestly, I did just forget to film me making dinner. To be honest, I didn't really forget. I kind of started to film and then it got very stressful because there was just a lot going on all at once. so I kind of stopped filming, but it was really nice. Hopefully I'll make it again soon and I can show you guys. But I decided to make like a cookie dough skillet thing for us for dessert, so I'm gonna do that. So I've already done the wet ingredients, which was butter, white sugar, brown sugar, vanilla and a bit of oat milk, and then I've just put in the dry ingredients, which is flour, baking powder and salt, and I'm just gonna mix it all up and then add in chocolate chips and bake it. Hey guys, I feel like you can kind of barely see me, like it's so dark in here, but I am gonna go to bed now. I think I'm gonna make this vlog like into a little bit of tomorrow as well, because I don't think I got that much footage today. But I just had a really nice day actually, and I had a really nice evening just chilling, so I guess I will see you guys in the morning. Good morning. Today is Friday and it is so crazy outside. The weather is like, wait, let me show you. Can you even see that? It's like crazy windy, so sorry if you can hear that. Also sorry if you can hear Elfie, because she wants me to play with her ball. You ready? You ready? Oh, you say hi. Good morning. So yeah, anyway, she just really wants me to play with her, so if you can hear that, I'm sorry. I just got up this morning and I had to do some really sad emails because I was supposed to be going to Ukraine this summer for a while for like a mission trip thing, and obviously that's like not happening anymore, so I had to do some emailing and stuff this morning to try and get like refunds for my flights. It is not looking good, but anyway, so that's what I've kind of spent my morning doing, to be honest with you. It is now 11:20 and I'm gonna make breakfast, which is like not really breakfast, it's more like brunch, lunch, I don't know what you want to call it at this point. But I'm gonna do the same thing I do so often. I'm gonna do some mushrooms and tomatoes and avocado and some beans on toast. I've not been eating very much avocado, as I'm very aware it's like not in season, and it's not like local produce, so I am like trying really hard not to eat it. But if my mum buys it and it's about to go out of date, then you know I can't help that. So but yeah, I'm just gonna make my breakfast now. Still update. I finished my breakfast and I just like did my dishes and everything, brushed my teeth, washed my face, and now I'm sitting. And here's the thing. Basically, I got an offer from the university that I want to go to study nursing next year. Hopefully if I get the grades, then that's where I'll be going, starting in February. So I'm just looking at like home decor and like stuff that I want to buy for my uni flat, and it's kind of becoming an issue, but I just thought I would let you guys know because I just feel like that is actually a really fun thing to like shop for. So anyway, that's what I'm doing right now, and it's like really gloomy weather outside, which is like my favourite kind of weather whenever you're just kind of in the house and like I'm just all